Hello teacher, good afternoon. My name is Teresa. In this opportunity I want to talk a little bit about unit number 10, endangered languages. Just looking at the picture, page 161, we can notice that we are going to talk about languages that we don't talk anymore, like in the left picture. I think it's Latin, and why we don't speak Latin anymore, it's because it get transformed, and after Latin it came different languages, and so we don't use it anymore. Now we will go to page 163. It says background and vocabulary, language loss. There are more than 6,000 languages in the world today. Unfortunately, many of those languages are endangered. An endangered language is a language that few people are learning to speak. When an endangered language loses all of its speakers, it becomes extinct. Sometimes a language disappears when the language of a more powerful community replaces it. For example, this happened when English replaced many native languages in North America. Today, many Native Americans only speak English instead of their native language. Many linguists study endangered languages and work to preserve them. A number of speakers of these languages also work hard to save them for future generations. In many communities, there are special programs that teach children their native language. These children grow up to be bilingual. They can speak the language of the more powerful community as well as their native language. Choose the best definition for each word. Endanger, might die soon. Extent, no longer existent. Disappears, stops being used. Powerful, strong, replaces, changes for something else. Linguists, people who study the science of language. Preserve, save. Native language, a language that belongs to the place of one's birth. Bilingual, speaking two languages. We will go to listening one, language loss. Where is the speaker? The speaker is in a class. What's the topic about? Endangered and dead languages. What do you predict the speaker might talk about? Languages that nobody speaks anymore or probably are died or may die. Listen for main ideas. Listen to the whole lecture, then read each statement. Write true or false. Number 1, linguists care about endangered languages because when a language dies, a culture can die too. True. Languages become endangered when children don't go to school. False. I think when it may die or become extinct. And number 3, linguists try to save endangered languages. It's true. Listen for details. Listen to the lecture and then circle the answer, the best answer. Number 1, by the year 2010 of the world's, by the year 2100 or 2100, 90% of the world's language could be extinct. Number 2, the Manx people lost their native language. Number 3, according to the speaker, B, culture, history, and knowledge may be lost when a language disappears. 4, before 1987, it was illegal to teach Hawaiian in public schools. 5, today more than 2,000 students are enrolled in Hawaiian language programs. 6, once there were hundreds of native languages, American languages, but now many have become extinct. 7, in Greenland, students learn Kalaallisut and Danish. 8, linguists help create big community programs where people can study endangered languages. 9, linguists preserve languages by C, recording them, studying them, and writing grammar books. Make inferences. Page 165. Excerpt 1. Many students come to class prepared. Would the professors agree or disagree? I think he disagrees. Some of the students came. Why does the professor stress the word some? B, he wants to stress that only some of the students did the reading. Excerpt 2. I was sure I had the right answer to the professor's questions. Would Jessica agree or disagree? A, agree. How do you know? B, her voice falls at the end of the sentence. Excerpt 3. Language is important for preserving culture. Would the professor agree or disagree? A, agree. Why does the professor say moving on? B, he is changing the topic. This is part number 1. We will continue in next video, part number 2. Thank you for watching.